Let's explore some custom printing options in Publisher. I have my postcard up again, and this time I've applied a background color to it, and I've done it for our demonstration. A common issue that can be experienced in Publisher is knowing where the page will be trimmed and ensuring that the background color extends past that trim. This is also referred to as bleeds. I'm going to show you how do you determine where the trim is and at what point the background color stops, and then extend it past the trim. To do this, you'll pop up into File and then click Print. In this example, we're using a C-size sheet of paper. This allows us to have the page printed twice. To determine where the trim will be, we're going to pop into Printer and then scroll all the way down to the bottom to Advanced Output setting. I'm going to turn on the crop marks. We can see at this point this is where the printer will stop printing. This is our trim. The problem is that you'll notice that this is right in line with our background color. To ensure that that background color covers the entire piece of paper, we need to enable the bleed, and we'll do that in the same location. Under Advanced Output Settings and Allow Bleeds, it's a little hard to see. I'm going to zoom in for your convenience, and you can now see that that background color extends past the crop lines or the trim. Turning on the crop marks and allowing the bleeds ensures that you know exactly how that publication is going to look when it's printed. You can also customize the page setup, and you don't actually do it from print. We're actually going to go back to our publication and select Page Design, and then click Page Setup. Here you can fine-tune the printing details. For example, I'm going to click on one page per sheet, and you can see the preview there. We can also select some of the other options. One of the cool ones is selecting multiple pages per sheet. And yes, before we had 2, but what if you wanted more, such as 2 columns and 5 rows? You could do that here. You can also adjust the margins here, the horizontal gaps, etc. Those are 3 quick tips to help you customize your publication printing.